Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you know how frustrating those stubborn blackheads can be, and finding the right product to tackle them can feel like a never-ending quest. Well, today, we're diving into something that claims to help clear things up: Danielle Creations Detoxifying Charcoal Nose Strips. If you're ready to fight those blackheads head-on, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another review. Danielle Creations Detoxifying Charcoal Nose Strips are designed to cleanse and exfoliate your skin by removing blackheads and impurities. These strips promise to detoxify and purify the skin with their key ingredients: witch hazel and charcoal. Witch hazel tones the skin and reduces inflammation, while charcoal works like a magnet, pulling out excess oil, dirt, and pollutants. It's like a mini facial treatment for your nose, perfect for those looking to target specific areas. Now, when it comes to using these strips, the process is pretty simple. First, cleanse your face and make sure your nose is damp. Then, apply the strip, press it down gently, and let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's fully dried, peel it off carefully and rinse with warm water to remove any residue. I will say, the strip does dry pretty firmly, so be patient while waiting for it to set. But once you peel it off, you'll feel that satisfying, almost instant clean sensation. I've been using these strips for a couple of weeks now, and I have to admit, the results are noticeable. The blackheads on my nose have significantly reduced, and my pores look tighter. It's a great quick fix for when your skin is feeling congested, especially around the nose area. However, I will say that these strips are a bit on the harsh side, so if you have sensitive skin, you might want to use them sparingly. The peeling process can be a little uncomfortable, and I did experience a slight redness after using it, but that went away after a few minutes. As for the pros, I love how easy these strips are to use. They deliver noticeable results, and the packaging is simple and practical. Plus, you get 8 strips for a relatively affordable price, which isn't too bad considering the effectiveness. On the flip side, the cons for me were the irritation it caused post-use. If you have particularly sensitive skin, these might not be the best for you. Also, the strip can feel a bit uncomfortable when pulling it off, but that's kind of to be expected with these types of products. So when it comes to value for money, I'd say these strips are a decent option for the price. You're getting 8 strips for a very affordable price, and they do a solid job of pulling out impurities. While the results are impressive, the discomfort during removal does make me question whether this is something I'd want to use too often. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget but still want a good blackhead removing option, there are a lot of other charcoal-based strips out there that may be more gentle on the skin but still effective. Brands like Bior, or even more affordable drugstore options, might be worth checking out if you're looking for something a bit more gentle. Overall, I think Danielle Creations Detoxifying Charcoal Nose Strips are a solid choice for anyone looking for a quick fix for blackheads. If you have normal skin or don't mind a bit of discomfort, they're definitely worth a try. Just keep in mind that if you have sensitive skin, this might not be your best bet. Thanks for watching, and if you're thinking about trying these strips out for yourself, check the link in the description box. I'd love to hear if you've used them or any other blackhead strips that you swear by. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.